encountered the suspicious activity error on Temu? Here's how to resolve it. When this happens, it could be due to unusual login activity or payment attempts. To fix this, try resetting your password. If you are using a VPN, turn it off as Temu might flag it as suspicious activity. Ensure that your account details are up to date and match your payment method. Finally, reach out to Temu support if the issue persists to lift any restrictions from your account. If resetting your password does not work, try verifying your account with two-factor authentication for added security. And that's it. Your account should be accessible again. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.